Hey everybody, Donald with Topwolf Outdoors, and this video is on my new toolbox. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, I needed take two, 3, 2, 1, action. Hey everybody, I was getting down to needing a not one of those big snap-on toolboxes. I just needed something I could basically throw in the truck, just kind of a home toolbox with some tools in it to take care of some minor needs. So I picked up this Kobalt 3-drawer at Lowe's, and I'm not a professional mechanic. I'm not making money on my tools here, so I decided to go with the Harbor Freight tools. Just if I was working out of my toolbox, making money every day, I'd choose for like Craftsman's at least. So as I said, it's a 3-drawer toolbox. Got my sticker on it, and this is kind of what I got going on. Starting up right now is I added a Bluetooth speaker, wireless of course, and added these hooks so I can slide my smartphone in there, so I can play music, watch a video on how to do something up on here for modification. I had got some basic socket sets. I made these socket rails. I bought the rails, the plain rails by themselves at Harbor Freight. Got the wood from Lowe's and screwed them on there for my socket rails. A DIY inexpensive way to do it. Red for standard, blue for my metric set. For my deep wells, I got a little plastic box from Walmart, holds them in there. Got a little red rag in there to kind of keep them from shaking all over the place. These from Harbor Freight. I got this decent ratchet, 3/8. All this is 3/8. I got a Stanley short breaker bar and extensions. A little extra side thing here for future tools or whatever. Down here, lower here. I'll get to this next drawer, and my top drawer, I got my wrenches, 3/4 down to 1/4, 15 down to 6. Said Harbor Freight. This was a 22-piece set. I got the extra long ones in another drawer. I bought these wrenches, sorters, and I had to cut them down to size to fit in here. Like I said, I'm just getting started. Be getting some more wrenches, finding out what I need for that. This middle drawer is kind of my safety type drawer. I got my gloves, glasses, I got a tape measure, my multimeter, I keep my lock, some gum, one of those battery banks to charge up the phone or the Bluetooth speaker, mainly for the speaker. And this bottom drawer, I got my bigger wrenches in here, 7/8, 3/16, the 19 and the 17. A couple of crescent wrenches and pliers. Said vice grips, small set. Said I'd be getting the bigger, the next size bigger than that. Screwdrivers. Starting out, you know, got the Phillips straight head, and I got a 4-way screwdriver in that. So this box is getting pretty good, and I got one of those magnet dish, so got on the side here for that. Those are definitely handy to have, without a doubt. I'll be getting another one. So that's my new toolbox. This video is gonna be short, and as I said, Harbor Freight this weekend's got a sale on torque wrenches, so I'll be getting a torque wrench and some other miscellaneous stuff, but this is just getting me started out. I will end up getting a middle drawer, and I think that's gonna all need. I don't need a big rolling cabinet or anything. I'm gonna get a 3-drawer middle drawer, set this on top of it, and that should be plenty of tools for what I need for around the house. Just doing stuff out here is like I said, Harbor Freight tools for me is gonna work out good. I'm not using them every day. I'm not using, you know, this is just for my personal use, and I think it'll work out fine. Got a nice box, inexpensive tools, that works. Say what you may want to say about Harbor Freight, but for me, personal use, they're just fine. So, alrighty. Well, that's it. Appreciate your views, your comments, and any suggestions as always. Let me know if you're like a shade tree mechanic or something that just general purpose kind of maintenance on a vehicle or something, what I need. I know I got to get a oil filter wrench, and so I got my spark plugs, but anyhow, alrighty, y'all be safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.